What's up guys? So Jeju Island could be also called Waterfalls Island. Why? Because I am going today to last one, third one. If you remember, a few days ago I was in this one, Cheonjiyeon Waterfalls with the bridge, as you remember from my video. And today I am going to this one, which are also Cheonjiyeon Waterfalls. So let's go to see the difference between them. So these waterfalls are open until 9 p.m. It's only one waterfalls which are open that long here, and it's because during the evening they have different sceneries. So ticket you can buy easily in the machine. Just put the English, adult. I want to pay by cash and wait for the tickets. So, and this is the last one, guys. So the last waterfall. Check. See you with the next FASTORIES.